hanging out, listening to some house music. And then later on, I came back and I was playing at Smart Bar, DJ Smart Bar. A few hundred of you guys were there. Then the guys from the mid called me and they said, "Hey man, come on over and play our club." I'm like, "I'll come play your club, man." And every time, it's a little crazy, a little hectic, man. I love you guys. Many of you have been here along for the entire ride. I love you so much, man. Regardless if you've been here since the beginning or you just find out about this, if you're coming here, this is the first time seeing you, I can't tell you how much I appreciate your support and how much it means to me to come back home and look out at this crowd. Alright, so back in the day when I was coming here and playing records, this is what we used to call house music right here.